Hello, today I am going to discuss on Introduction to Pharmacognosy. First, we will see the history of the pharmacognosy. The medicines originated in India and Egypt. The medicines were recorded in the Papyrus Ebers of Egypt and Ayurveda of India. The Papyrus Ebers is an oldest document containing 700 medicinal herbs and more than 870 formulae. Shennag, an emperor of China, wrote Pentisau in 3000 BC, which contains 365 different drugs, one for each day of the year. A large portion of the Indian population even today depends on the Indian system of medicine, that is a which is depend upon the Ayurveda. The Ayurveda means ancient science of life. The well-known treatises in Ayurveda are the Charak Samhita and Shashruta Samhita. Ayurveda was evolved 4600 BC, and the objective of Ayurveda is not merely to cure the disease but to preserve the health also. The treatises dealing with Ayurveda are Shashruta Samhita and Charak Samhita. Both were compiled between the 500 to 300 BC. The Charak Samhita deals mostly with the plants and Shashruta Samhita deals with the surgery. Hippocrates. The Hippocrates, it is the father of medicine. He gave his contribution on anatomy and physiology of human beings in 460 to 360 BC. Aristotle, it is the father of natural history. In 384 to 322 BC, was a philosopher and he wrote on animal kingdom, which is considered authoritative even in a 21st century. Theophrastus, in 370 to the 287 BC, is known for his studies on plant kingdom. The Greek physician Dioscorides described about medicinal plants like opium, belladonna, colchicum, ergot, and these are used even nowadays. Galen, from 131 to the 200 AD, known as the first pharmacist, described the different method of preparations containing active constituents of crude drugs. The branch dealing with extraction of plant and animal drugs is still known as a Galenical pharmacy. The French apothecary N. Marie, from 1945 to 1715, he reported the importance of extraction method and alcohol to be used as an ideal solvent. The advent of modern techniques of isolation and characterizations were isolated. In 1806, the German chemist Sir Turner isolated the morphine from opium. In 1811, the Portuguese chemist Gomes isolated cinchona from cinchona bark. The French chemist Pelletier and Caventou isolated strychnine in 1870 and brucine in 1819 from Nux vomica seeds. Similarly, in consecutive years, the quinine, which is established by the Pelletier in 1820, veratramine, which is find out by the found Meissner in 1820. Nicotine in the 1828, such as amygdaline, pilocarpine, and emetine were isolated. Stas and Otto in 1852 developed a new process of extraction for alkaloids. Some of the important constituents like reserpine, digoxin, ergomedrin, quinidine, etc. were isolated in 20th century. The great Swedish biologist Linus in 1707 to 1778 classified the plants and introduced the binomial system of plants, which is still follow. Plants classification was further developed by Bentham and Hooker in 1862 to 1883. Then Eger, Engler, and Prandtl. After that, the microscopical and chemical studies of the crude drugs, which is helped to publish a number of atlases of powder vegetable drug. Berg in 1865 published Anatomical Atlas of Crude Drugs. Hoyle and Tashrich published the Anatomical Atlas of various powdered drugs, which became helpful in that period when adulteration in food articles and drugs were common. In 1904, Greenwich and Collins compiled an anatomical atlas of powder vegetable drugs. Next, we will see the definition of the pharmacognosy. The pharmacognosy, initially it is known as a materia medica. It is may be defined as a study of the crude drugs which is obtained from the plants, animals, and mineral kingdoms and their constituents. The word pharmacognosy was coined by German scientist C. A. Siedler in 1850 in his work Analecta Pharmacognostica. The word pharmacognosy is derived from two words. Pharmakon means medicine, means a drug. Agignoso means to acquire the knowledge of something. That is, the whole meaning of the pharmacognosy means knowledge or science of drugs. Pharmacognosy is systematic study of crude drugs obtained from natural origin like plant, animal, and minerals. The pharmacognosy can be defined as a branch of science which involves detailed study of drugs obtained from natural origin, including name, habitat, collection, cultivation, microscopy, physical properties, chemical constituent, therapeutic actions, uses, and adulterants. The second definition of the pharmacognosy, as per the American Society of the Pharmacognosy, defined as study of the physical, chemical, biochemical, and biological properties of the drugs, drug substances, or potential drugs, or drug substances of natural origin, as well as the search for new drugs from different natural sources. Next, we will see the scope of pharmacognosy and phytochemistry. Pharmacognosy as an applied science has a important role in development of different discipline of science. The pharmacognosy principally concerned with the plant materials. Therefore, the pharmacognosist should possess the basic knowledge of botany and zoology. The pharmacognosy is a critical in development of different disciplines of science. The knowledge of plant taxonomy, plant breeding, plant pathology, plant genetics is helpful in the development of cultivation technology for medicinal and aromatic plants. Plant chemistry means phytochemistry has undergone significant development in recent years as a distinct discipline. It is concerned with the enormous variety of substances that are synthesized and accumulated by plants and the structural elucidation of these substances. Next, extraction, isolation, purification, and characterization of phytochemicals from natural sources are important for advancement of medicine system. The knowledge of chemotaxonomy, biogenetic pathways for formation of medicinally active primary and secondary metabolites, plant tissue culture, and other related fields is essential for complete understanding of pharmacognosy. One should have the basic knowledge of biochemistry and chemical engineering is essential for development of collection, processing, and storage technology of crude drugs. Phytochemistry has significantly developed and contribute a chemical knowledge due to elucidation of structure of isolated constituents. Chemotaxonomy is a growing science and has led to many important developments regarding evolution of plant kingdom upon which modern ideas of classification are based. Plant tissue culture, biogenetic pathway for formation of primary and secondary metabolites, and other related fields like chemical engineering and biochemistry are essential to understand pharmacognosy. The pharmacognosy also includes the study of the animal products such as beeswax, gelatin, wool fat, vitamin, etc., and other natural products like hormones and antibiotics. The materials having a no pharmacological action but are significant for the pharmacognosist like the natural fibers, suspending agent and flavoring agent, disintegrant, stabilizer and colorant. Next point, the pharmacognosy is an important branch of the pharmacy which is a playing key role in a new drug discovery and development by using natural products. The pharmacognosy has given many leads for the new drug discovery and development. It is an important link between the modern medicine system, that is the allopathy, and traditional system of medicine. It is a part of the medicinal system which is affordable as well as accessible to common man. As a part of the integrative system of medicine, the pharmacognosy can help to increase effectiveness of modern medicine system. It is acting as a bridge between the pharmacology, medicinal chemistry and pharmacotherapeutics and also pharmaceutics. It is also bridges the pharmaceutics with the other pharmacy subjects. More than 60% of the world population is still using the natural product for their primary healthcare needs. The pharmacognosy can provide safe and effective drugs in combination with modern medicine system. The pharmacognosy includes knowledge about safe use of herbal drugs including toxicity, side effects, drug interaction, thereby increasing effectiveness of modern medicines. Already we saw the pharmacognosy, it is a link between the pharmacology, medicinal chemistry. As a result of rapid development of phytochemistry and pharmacological testing methods in recent years, new plant drugs are finding their way into medicines as a purified phytochemicals rather than in the form of the traditional galenical preparations. The pharmacognosy is the base for the development of the novel medicines. Most of the compounds obtained from the natural products serve as a prototype or base for the development of the new drug, which are the more active and less toxic. By means of the pharmacognosy, natural products can be dispensed, formulated and manufactured in dosage forms acceptable to modern system of medicine. There are vast number of plants and animal species which are not studied systematically. The development of pharmacognosy also leads to development of botany, taxonomy, plant biotechnology, plant genetics, plant pathology, pharmaceutics, pharmacology, phytochemistry and other branches of science. Thank you.